What's up and welcome to Smart Money, where our mission is to give our viewers the motivation to make more money and the skills to keep it. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the 5 best cashback credit cards in 2021. We're going to discuss a host of different categories like best cashback card for no annual fee, if you have excellent credit, and the best cashback credit card overall, so watch this video to the end for that. Do me a favor and hit the like button so that YouTube knows this is a good video and tells more people about the community we're building here on Smart Money. We have a goal of getting 25 likes on this video, and we can't do it without your help. And without further ado, let's get to the video. Best credit cards for cashback in America. The top cashback credit cards offer at least 1.5% cashback on purchases, as well as no annual fees, initial bonus offers, or 0% APR promos. Some of the best cashback credit cards give the same cashback rate on all purchases, while others add additional cashback on specific purchases. Instead of points that you must figure out how to redeem, and which you may or may not be able to redeem for something you desire, you get real cash on demand that you can use for, well, anything. Depending on the card you use and where you use it, you can receive cash rewards ranging from 1% to 6% of the transaction amount. Some credit cards offer a single flat rate on all purchases, while others offer high rates in specific categories and lesser rates on everything else. The finest cashback credit card offers typically require good or excellent credit to get approved, but there are also powerful cashback offers for people with average, limited, or terrible credit. A word about credit scores. You may often hear me discuss a credit score of 690 being needed for some of the cards on this list as a drawback. Some of you may not see this as much of a barrier, but it may be a wall that's too high to climb for some. While experience says that the average credit score in the United States is 711, only 21% of Americans have a credit score that falls within the good range between 670 and 739. Also, experience posits that the average millennial has a credit score of 680 and the average Gen Z of 674. Higher credit scores are often most held by baby boomers and the silent generation, with average scores of 763 and 758 respectively. Best cashback card for flat rate rewards. Starting our list is a Citi Double Cash card. The Citi Double Cash card 18-month BT promotion is nearly twice as beneficial as the ordinary cashback credit card. The average credit card offers roughly 1% back on all purchases. However, Citi Double Cash offers 1% cashback on all transactions, plus an additional 1% cashback when credit card holders pay their double cash payment each month. At the end of the day, that's a total of 2% cashback on everything you buy. The beauty of this bargain is that, while rewards are still a calling card, it doesn't require much explanation to convey the deal. Cardholders earn 1% cashback on their purchases and 1% cashback on their payments. So if you charge $500 to your Citi Double Dash card in a given month and pay off the entire balance by the due date, you'll receive $10 cash back. If, on the other hand, you only pay half your balance by the due date, you will only earn $7.50. These amounts may not appear to be significant, but most people with the credit standing required to qualify for this card do not spend $500 every month. Most notably, the Citi Double Dash card includes a 0% APR balance transfer offer that is good for the first 18 months of owning the card. This card does have a few negatives though. The standard APR for the card, as well as the balance transfer APR for the first 18 months, is between 13.99% and 23.99%, depending on your creditworthiness. Additionally, Citibank doesn't offer a sign-up bonus with the Citi Double Dash card like other cards on this list do. Lastly, there's a $25 redemption minimum, meaning you won't be able to get the cash back if you don't use the card enough. Best cashback bonus for people with good credit. The Chase Freedom Flex card gives a $200 cashback benefit to new cardholders who spend $500 in the first 3 months after opening an account. The bar is set so low for the $200 cash benefit, it might as well be free cash. Freedom Flex also offers 1 to 5% cash back in continuing benefits and has no annual fees. All of this combines to make the Flex one of the greatest cashback credit cards available right now. The Chase Freedom Flex card offers rewards as high as 5% in certain areas, some of which charge quarterly and others do not, as well as a significant incentive for new cards. It's a rich card if you're prepared to put in the effort. As mentioned previously, this card allows holders to earn $200 bonus after spending $500 on purchases during the first 3 months of account opening, but that's not all. You can also earn 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in total bonus category purchases each quarter in categories you select. Chase adds new 5% categories every quarter. You can also earn 5% on Chase travel purchases, 3% on restaurant dining and drugstore purchases, and 1% back on all other purchases. Finally, there's no minimum needed to redeem for cashback. As long as your account is active, your cashback rewards will not expire. There are a few drawbacks to this card, however. It's said to require at least a 690 credit score, which may be off-putting to some. Also, you must opt into the bonus categories each quarter, which can be inconvenient. The rotating 5% categories aren't for everyone, and in recent years, they've skewed a bit toward lower spending areas. Restaurants were excluded entirely, though dining is now a permanent 3% category, and gas stations have been featured for 2 quarters a year. By the way, if this video is giving you value, write cashback in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply to every comment I get. Best cashback credit card with no annual fee. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card has no annual fee and offers 1.5 to 5% cash back on purchases. Like the Freedom Flex card, new card holders can also receive a $200 welcome bonus if they spend $500 within the first 3 months of opening an account. The initial attractiveness of the Chase Freedom Unlimited card does not end there. The card boasts a 0% introductory APR on purchases for 15 months. This isn't the most flashy cashback credit card offer out there. However, it is a really plain and straightforward offer that is still very generous. It could work nicely as the only card in your wallet or as one of several. As mentioned earlier, new card holders can get a $200 bonus after spending $500 on purchases during the first 3 months of opening an account. But the benefits don't stop there. This card earns 5% cash back on Chase travel bookings, 3% cash back at restaurants and drugstores, and 1.5% cash back on all other purchases. There's no minimum needed to redeem for cash back. As long as your account is active, your cashback rewards will not expire. Some of the drawbacks include the card's foreign transaction fee. While this card might earn you substantial rewards on trip bookings, it also has a 3% international transaction fee, so it's not a good travel companion. Additionally, there's a 690 credit score that's said to be needed to hold the card. Best cashback credit card for fair credit. The Capital One Quicksilver One Cash Rewards credit card allows consumers with emerging credit to earn rewards while also potentially gaining access to larger credit line. One of the biggest benefits of the Capital One Quicksilver One Cash Rewards credit card is that it only requires a 630 credit score to qualify for it. It also offers limitless 1.5% cash back on all transactions in exchange for a low annual fee of $39. With other offers cashback reward credit cards accessible to people with poor to fair credit, applying for the Capital One Quicksilver One should be a no-brainer for those who intend to use the card on a daily basis. This card will pay for itself in rewards if you charge at least $2,600 per year and pay your entire balance due each month. If you spend $500 every month, you will make an annual profit of around $51 after deducting the annual charge. You can also set up automatic redemption either by date or by amount earned. One of the biggest drawbacks of the Capital One Quicksilver One Cash Rewards credit card is its APR. At Smart Money Personal Finance, we recommend paying your balance in full on time every month. Cards like this, with its 26.99% variable APR, is why you might want to memorize that maxim. You certainly don't want to carry a large balance at the Quicksilver One card's interest rate, which, while roughly in line with what you might expect to receive from a credit card designed for people with limited credit, is still higher than the average for fair credit cards, 23.25%, and secured credit cards, 18.09%. Bonus: best credit card for college students. I would be remiss if I didn't have any information in this video for college students. The Bank of America Customized Cash Benefits Credit Card for Students is the finest cashback credit card for college students since it provides rewards that would normally need a strong or excellent credit. The B of A Cashback Student Credit Card offers a $200 welcome bonus if you apply online and spend at least $1,000 within 90 days of opening an account. The ongoing cash rewards are just as appealing. Cardholders receive 3% cash back in their choice of spending categories and 2% cash back in grocery shops and wholesale clubs, up to $2,500 in bonus categories per quarter. All other purchases get you 1% cash back. More than just incentives are available with the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card for Students. It offers new cardholders a 0% introductory APR for 15 months and has no annual charge. This is literally the only card on this list with no drawbacks. Best cashback credit card overall. The Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express is the finest cashback card since it offers a lot of bonus cashback benefits. The American Express Blue Cash Preferred card offers a $150 statement credit after spending $3,000 the first 6 months, as well as 20% back on Amazon.com purchases made during the same period, up to $200 cash back. It also offers recurring reward rates ranging from 1% to 6% cash back depending on your purchase. Each year, Amex Cashback Preferred cardholders earn 6% cash back on eligible U.S. streaming subscription services, as well as 6% cash back on up to $6,000 spent at U.S. supermarkets. Blue Cash Preferred also provides 3% cash back at U.S. gas stations, as well as 3% cash back on a variety of transit charges, including ride shares, parking, and tolls. All other purchases will earn you 1% cash back. The Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express even offers a low initial APR, 0% for 12 months on purchases made from the date of account opening, then variable rate ranging from 13.99% to 23.99%. This is an excellent card, but even it's not without its drawbacks. Again, the required 690 credit score may keep the Blue Cash Preferred card out of reach of many Americans. The $95 annual fee may be a deterrent for some, but the rewards will more than compensate if you spend just $31 every week at the supermarket. However, if you don't have a lot of grocery bills or pay for many streaming video services, this card isn't the card for you. Click the first link in the description if you're interested in learning more about the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express. This is an affiliate link. Using our links is a great way to support the channel. If you choose to use this link, I will be compensated, but at no extra cost to you. There's no reason not to have a cashback credit card. Credit card companies have provided a high-quality card for every phase of a consumer's life. There's a cashback card that's right for you, whether you've got average or great credit. There's a cashback card if you're a Gen Z just starting college or a member of the silent generation buying groceries. Well, what did you think of our list? Did I miss your favorite cashback card? Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. That'll do it for this episode, guys. If you're interested in getting cool stuff and great educational materials, take a look at the affiliate links in the description. Again, they're a great way to help support the channel. If you choose to use them, I will be compensated, but at no extra cost to you. Check out the videos on your screen on how to improve your finances. If you like this video, hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm promotes our video to other like-minded people. Be sure to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.